Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks and I'm finally back. I'm not perfect, my voice is a little messed up, and I'm on a lot of medicine, so I don't know how this is going to go, but we're going to give it a shot because I've got a lot of boxes and it has been a long time since we've been able to put out a video. Before we start the video, I want to thank you all. It has been really overwhelming, the support that you guys have given us. Just comments on Facebook, but also, I mean, so many of you sent us stuff like boxes with Disney stuff and Disney snacks, and friends of ours were dropping off homemade meals on our front porch. It was humbling, to say the least. So I can't thank you all enough for that, and I don't know, I hope the wait was worth it. I guess we'll find out. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do one subscription box and one Boop Loot from Gina Busby that she sent us because I've been waiting a long time, but it's merch, so I didn't want to open it early. And in our upcoming videos we have a lot of snack boxes that have been sitting here for a long time, so I don't know how those are going to go, but it'll be a good test to see how long they last on their own. So let's take a look at what box we're doing today. We are doing Magic at Your Door. So this is the October box that has been here forever, and I'm really excited to get into this. So let's do this. That's all coming up right now. All right, finally, the wait is over. Wouldn't that be funny if the first box I unboxed, I cut myself? That's how things are going this year, I'm telling you. All right, I'm so ready for this. Check it out. I'm gonna put this big old box on the floor. Okay. First things first. This is all late news to most of you, but I will put this up so you can take a look at it. I don't even know how to do this anymore. Boop! There it is. Alright, so this has the color codes so you can figure out what all your stuff is worth and figure out the value of your box. You can order a huge amount of Loungeflies directly from Magic at Your Door. You don't have to actually order a box, you can just order them direct. So that's really cool. And then they're talking about upcoming boxes, which most of these things are past their prime anyway because I've been sitting on this box for so long. Alright, let us begin. Confetti is orange, black, white, and silver for Halloween, which is long gone. Holy cow, there's a huge box inside this box. So this is the gold subscription, $129 plus shipping. If you're not a part of Magic at Your Door's Facebook group, you really should think about it. There are 5,500 of my best friends in there, and honestly, Facebook can be a little stressful at times because everybody has an opinion, especially lately with all the politics and all the COVID stuff. If you want something light where everybody's actually really nice, go to Magic at Your Door's Facebook group. It is a great group of people that are all like-minded. It's very cool. Check it out. We're going to save this. Okay. I want to try and save this box for last. Oh boy. First I gotta figure out whose shirt this is. Oop, it's my size. Alright. I need a new shirt. Oh, it's Haunted Mansion. I'm gonna have to wear this when we drive our Ford. That's cool. Let's check it out. Nice! Very cool. All right. Very good start. I feel like this whole video is going to be me clearing my throat. What? This is so cool. So, in the background, you probably can't hear it right now, but it's Thanksgiving Day right now, and food is cooking and things are sizzling, and we just got 2 awesome hidden Mickey placemats. Look how cool those are. We've been asking for more kitchen stuff because we're doing our whole kitchen in Disney Mickey. Very cool. Those are $12.99 each in the park. That's really cool. I dig it. Alright. I believe that's it, except for the gold pouch and this huge box. Now that's a box. It's really light. You as interested as I am? Let's check it out. There it is. Look at this thing. Holy cow. This is so cool. I love how parts of it are like translucent, the wings and the fire. Oh my gosh. Let me throw this up on the turntable so you can get a better look at it. Boop! Wow. This was $85 in the park, and this is definitely going to be one of my favorite pieces we have. The scales are just, I mean, it's super textured and wow, that's cool. Nice. All right. And finally, oh yeah. Alright, so first things first, they were running a bit behind with the fantasy pins that Magic at Your Door gives you if you get, so these are free if you get the gold box. You can put them on your wish list if you have a lower box like silver or bronze, but then you get the money, the value goes toward the box value. So I have September and October, and I will put those both in the photo box. Boop, boop. And then, so you can see January through October, we will just go boop, 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 boop. That's a lot of booping. Alright, very cool. So, we have like a Halloween Mickey, and then the rose from Beauty and the Beast with the stained glass window behind it. These are done so well. That's awesome. And finally, oh, that's cool. Goofy is delivering luggage at Hollywood Tower of Terror. That's a yellow pin. I will put that in the photo box. Boop. So the yellow pin is $12.99. So we've got the placemats, the amazing Maleficent, the 2 monthly pins, this shirt. Right? Yes. Very nice. I will put, so it cost me $129 plus shipping, and I will put the total up on the screen right now. Boop. Nice, right? Alright. So now, I want to do one quick boop loot, and again, this is from Gina Busby and family, who recently got to go to Disney World, and I hate them for it. Not really, but at least I'm super jealous. I miss Disney. Let's check it out. Feels like I'm working with discount snaps again. They're probably like dusty or something. Alright, so this is not from the place you think it is. This is just a box that she used to ship it to me. Let's see what we got in here. There's confetti in it and everything. Alright. So there's a card, says Disney Dynamicks. Oh, it's a Walt Disney Archives collection card. Gonna be good, so I can open it. is so good. Mickey, my favorite. Dear Disney Dynamicks, just a little hope you feel better soon box. Oh. Would have sent sooner, but wanted to get you something special from our trip. Oh, they got us something from Disney World. Mikey said he hopes you're better soon. He misses your videos. I miss you being able to watch them too, Mikey. I got to see all the pictures of you though in Disney World. That looked awesome. The special thing inside the Christmas tree is from him. When he opened it, he knew Christian needed it. Gina, Mikey, Matthew, Busby. Thank you, guys. All right. Oh. Happy holidays. Look at that. I'll throw it in the photo box so you can see it. Boop. Nice. All right. Thank you, guys. Oh, here's the Christmas tree. So this is from Mikey. How do you open it? Oh. Wait for it. I'll get there. Maybe. Oh. I'll get there eventually. There's a pin. Oh! Haunted Mansion pin, Master Gracie laid to rest. So cool. Thank you very much. You're right. That is perfect. That's awesome. I don't have that one. Let me throw it in the photo box for you. Boop. Oh. Oh. Mary's not here yet. She's back to work, and things are crazy because she works at a hospital, so you can only imagine how crazy it is there. But these are some Winnie the Pooh socks, which she will lose her mind over. Thank you, guys. Holy cow. Oh! What? Baby Yoda Rice Krispie treat? Oh! I might have to hide this before she gets home. She's probably gonna watch this. Meh. It's alright. I can take it. What's the term? Beg for forgiveness instead of asking for permission. Oh! Oh, two of my favorite rides. Not a Morning Person from Haunted Mansion, and If You Don't Believe Me, You're in Denial. What's that from? Hmm? What's it from? I know that I can't think of the name. That's the boat. Oh my gosh. The one with the backside of water.
Oh,
the Jungle Cruise. I have so many. I told you. Taking a lot of meds. The cough medicine I'm on, I had to sign a waiver to get. So, look at those. I'll put them in the photo box. Boop. Wow. Total brain fart. I'm losing it, man. Oh my gosh. It's the Haunted Mansion Skyliner. Oh, is this an ornament? Please tell me it's an ornament. Oh, it comes with a hanger, but it's going in the tree. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I'm actually going to take this out of the box and put it in the photo box so you can take a look, because my tree's already up and it's going up. Boop. That is too cool. Again, really overwhelming. The support is... Thank you, guys. All right. If you'd like to take a look at our... Sorry. It's a lot of medication. If you'd like to take a look at our last video from, like, I don't know, a decade ago, we'll throw that up here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day. Happy Thanksgiving.